Good evening, doctors. Welcome again. Today we are going to discuss about thrombocytic thrombocytopenic purpura and hemolytic uremic syndrome. These two are different but have some similarity. Two separate disease process characterized by triad hemolytic anemia, thrombocytopenia and low platelets. This is seen in hemolytic uremic syndrome and in thrombocytic thrombocytopenic purpura. In both of them we are going to see this, but in TTP we see pentad additional symptoms like hemolytic anemia, thrombocytopenia and low platelets we see, and also we see fever and neurological problems like altered mental status, delirium and hallucination. Look for TTP in HIV or cancer patient. Thrombocytic thrombocytopenic purpura is common in HIV patient and cancer patient, but look for hemolytic uremic syndrome mainly seen in children, those who have history with recent enteritis, and it is mainly due to E. coli 0157H7. Symptoms as described above. CBC will show low platelets and anemia. A smear will show cystocytes, and urine analysis will show microhematuria. In this kind of patients, we see CBC. In CBC, we see low platelets and anemia. And if we do peripheral blood smear, we see cystocytes, and urine analysis will show the microhematuria. And diagnosis is based on labs, whereas treatment is supportive treatment often does more harm than good. Do not give antibiotics or platelets. You may consider plasmapheresis or fresh frozen plasma in TTP if there is significant bleeding. In TTP you can give plasmapheresis and fresh frozen plasma. So guys, let's recap again. In hemolytic uremic syndrome, triad of 3: hemolytic anemia, thrombocytopenia, low platelets. Whereas thrombocytic thrombocytopenic purpura, there is pentad 5 things: hemolytic anemia, thrombocytopenia, low platelets, fever and neuro problems. Neuro problems include altered mental status, delirium, hallucination. Diagnosis between those, we have to collect history. Patient may be HIV or cancer in case of thrombocytic thrombocytopenic purpura. Patient, if children, we see the history of diarrhea, enteritis due to E. coli 0157S7. And how to diagnose, we ordered CBC. In CBC we see anemia, low platelets, and ordered peripheral blood smear. Film we see cystocytes, and urine analysis we see microhematuria. And treatment, there is only supportive treatment. We can do plasmapheresis or give fresh frozen plasma in case of TTP, whereas antibiotics or platelets have no role. Never give antibiotics or platelet in such conditions. So guys, I hope till here it's very much clear for you. If you have any queries, any question, you can ask me. And if you're new on my channel, please subscribe it. And if you like this video, put like on it. Thank you. Good day. Goodbye. That's all for today.